Uh, Good day, sir. This is my learnings about the last topic in the final term entitled Clearing and Settlement Systems. So, in clearing and settlement systems, the banks of the payer and beneficiary exchange information regarding monetary transfers. The result of this exchange is payment between the banks. So, first of all, why clearing and settlement system is important in our economy? It is because clearing and settlement system is a necessary tool for successful monetary policy execution and the smooth operation of money and capital markets. Okay, in this way, man God, it is easy to change monetary transfers between the banks of the payer and the beneficiary. Also, clearing is required for all buy and sell orders in the market to match. It allows parties to make transfers to the clearing firm rather than to each individual party with whom they interact, and resulting in smoother and more efficient markets. So, there are two types of settlement types: gross basis and a net basis. So, first, gross basis, where each bank pays the total amount owed. Payment handled through a gross settlement system are more likely to have a requirement for immediate execution, where payment instructions are processed separately for each individual transactions. So in a gross basis, the number of contracts equals the sum of the long and short futures position. For example, consider a clearing operation member with three clients. One is long 50 futures, the other is short 30 futures, and the third is short 10 futures. So that is the example of a gross basis. Next is a payment can be also on net basis, where large number of transactions are accumulated and offset against each other, with only the net differential being transferred between banks. So net basis is the basis upon which the earnings per share of a company is calculated na, and variable elements is company's tax charge. So, transaction types. Fedwire refers to a real-time gross settlement system of a central bank money used by Federal Reserve or Fed banks to electronically settle final US dollars payments among members institutions. The system processes trillions of dollars daily and includes an overdraft system that covers participants with existing and approved accounts. So, in the Fedware Funds Service is a real-time gross settlement system that allows participants to conduct funds transfer that are immediate, final, and reversible once processed. It is provided by the Federal Reserve Bank. Also, Fedwire Fund Service is a credit transfer service provided by Fedwire. Participants initiate financial transfers by ordering a Federal Reserve Bank to debit monies from one participant's accounts and credit funds to another participant's account. Participants can initiate funds transfer either online via the use of a secure electronic message or offline also through the use of telephone procedures. In Automated Clearinghouse or ACH, network is an electronic funds transfer system run by NACHA, formerly called the National Automated Clearinghouse Association since 1974. This payment system provides ACH transaction for use with payroll, direct deposit, tax refunds, consumer bills, tax payments, and many more payment services in the US. So, this ACH is also safe because uh, The recipients of the funds normally needs an American bank account, and ACH payment is also safer than utilizing other money transfer services. This means that recipients provide sufficient identity for law enforcement to locate them in the event of fraud or other unlawful activities. So in treasury system, the treasurer requires information that is normally available through a company's standard accounting system or even from its enterprise resources planning or ERP systems. Even though an ERP system is designed to aggregate all the informations used in a modern corporation, the treasurer also requires information from a variety of external sources regarding investments, foreign exchange positions, interest rates, and so forth. So, in treasury system, the handling of money and financial hazards in a business is referred to as treasury. Its main goal is to ensuring that the company has enough cash to meet its day-to-day responsibilities while also assisting in the development of the company's long-term financial plan and policies. Treasury management system gives CFOs and treasurers the insight and information that they need to manage cash, bank accounts, liquidity, compliance, and investment, debt, and lastly, intercompany loans. So, in treasury management system, involve the creation and governance of various procedures and policies designed to help companies better manage their cash flow and all the aspects that go with it, such as payables, receivables, interest rates, and foreign exchange rates. Also, we need a treasury management because it excels at streamlining and automating manual operations and time consuming data management course, increasing your daily productivity as a result. Organizational bottlenecks are eliminated and location dependence is reduced thanks to automated permission and payment initiation. So, overall, Treasury departments are organized in a variety of ways to best fulfill the demands of a company. Um, they come in a variety of sizes and structures depending on the intricacy of the business. And also, in smaller businesses, treasury operations may be handled by a single individual or be a function of the finance department. So that's all. That is my learnings and also the discussion of the last term.